Welcome to our training, Featured Offer Eligibility and Strategies. At Amazon, we combine all sellers' offers for a product on a single product detail page. That helps customers find, compare, and purchase items. It also saves sellers from having to recreate pages that are already part of the Amazon catalog. On many product detail pages, we put one seller's offer near the top and include Buy Now and Add to Cart buttons. We call this the product's featured offer. Customers have the option to view all other sellers' offers too, but the featured offer is the prominent offer on a product detail page. If a product has variations, each child product can have its own featured offer. Those featured offers can belong to the same seller or different sellers. How does Amazon select an offer to feature? We start with a few basic requirements. First, the seller who lists the offer needs to have a professional selling account. Their product also needs to be in new condition. Also, to compete for the featured offer, a seller must set a competitive price for their product. By that, we mean a price that is less than or equal to the lowest price for an item from major retailers outside of Amazon. We regularly monitor and share competitive external prices with sellers in Seller Central so they know when their prices are competitive. If you, your product, and your price meet all these requirements, your offer is put into a pool of other eligible offers, which we select from when choosing a featured offer for a customer. Sellers competing for the featured offer can increase their offer's chances within this pool using several strategies. They can set prices lower than those of other sellers within the pool. Providing customers with free shipping or shipping that's faster than what other sellers provide can also increase your offer's chances of becoming the featured offer. If you use Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA to fulfill orders, your products are automatically eligible for Amazon Prime free 2-day shipping. All Amazon.com customers can get free shipping on eligible orders too. If you fulfill orders directly as an MFN seller, you can provide free or faster shipping using settings in Seller Central. Hover over the gear icon, then click Shipping Settings to view your current service levels and fees. If you make adjustments, keep in mind that standard shipping is a requirement for all sellers. Before selecting any additional service levels, you'll also want to confirm that you can meet the indicated commitment. It's important to keep stock available if you want your offer featured on a product detail page. Your product can't become the featured offer if it's out of stock and none is on order. So, keep your inventory up to date and plan accordingly for products that sell quickly. Finally, you can increase your offer's chances of becoming the featured offer by providing great customer service. We measure customer service in several ways. You can check your performance anytime using the Account Health dashboard in Seller Central. To access the dashboard, hover over Performance in the main menu, then click Account Health. On the left, you'll see your account's customer service performance, which is measured using what we call an order defect rate, or ODR. Your ODR is the percentage of your orders with one or more indicators of poor customer service. That could be negative customer feedback, which is defined as a 1 or 2-star rating, an approved A to Z guarantee claim, or a credit card chargeback. We calculate ODR in 60-day periods and require sellers to maintain an ODR under 1% in order to sell in the Amazon store. You can also use the shipping performance metrics on the right to understand the performance of orders you've fulfilled directly. We use 3 metrics to help you assess: late shipment rate, or LSR, pre-fulfillment cancel rate, also known as the cancellation rate, or CR, and valid tracking rate, or VTR. You should aim to keep your LSR below 4%, your CR below 2.5%, and your VTR above 95%. Note too that a seller may become ineligible for the featured offer based on account performance and other risk factors. This helps Amazon guard against abuse and ensure that customers have a great shopping experience. For more information about each performance metric on the Account Health dashboard, see our relevant modules on Seller University. If you'd like help monitoring or managing featured offers, competitive external prices, or your Amazon inventory, we offer multiple tools in Seller Central. Enable the Featured Offer Eligible column on the Manage Inventory page if you'd like help tracking whether your offers are meeting the requirements for the featured offer. Hover over Inventory in the main menu. Click Manage Inventory and then click the Preferences button. On the next page, check the box next to Featured Offer Eligible if it isn't already. Then click the Save Changes button. A Featured Offer Eligible column will appear on the Manage Inventory page with an indicator for each product row. You can also use our Pricing Health dashboard to view a list of your offers that aren't competitively priced or that are competitively priced but not featured. Hover over Pricing in the main menu, then click Pricing Health. Select Featured Offer, then scroll to the Featured Offers section and click Ineligible or Eligible but not featured. After reviewing an offer in either section, you can edit it by clicking the Update button. You can also use the featured offer percentage at the top of the page to understand how often your offers are currently being featured in the Amazon store. Select the Sales Conversion section of the Pricing Health dashboard to view all your offers with customer views but no sales in the last 7 days. To help increase conversion for a product, consider lowering your standard price plus shipping so that it's at or below the recent lower price listed. Automate pricing can also be a great tool if you're trying to keep your prices competitive or featured offer eligible. Rather than updating static prices manually in Seller Central, Automate Pricing lets professional sellers set dynamic pricing rules that automatically adjust their prices in response to changes in the featured offer or other pricing events. Hover over Pricing in the main menu, then click Automate Pricing to access the tool. You'll see 3 pricing rule types: catalog level, predefined, and customized. Predefined and customized rules are the types you can use to respond automatically to changes in the featured offer. Apply Amazon's predefined rule to products in your inventory to automatically match your standard offer price plus shipping with the current featured offer. Or create and apply a customized pricing rule that sets your standard offer price plus shipping to match or be above or below either the featured offer or lowest price in the Amazon store. Each time you use a pricing rule, you set a minimum price and have the option to set a maximum price for each product. This helps keep your sales within a range that's best for your business. For step-by-step instructions for these 2 rule types and for creating and applying other pricing rules, both one at a time and in bulk, see the series of modules in our Price Products course in Seller University. Finally, to help manage low inventory, hover over Inventory in the main menu in Seller Central, then click Inventory Planning. You'll be brought to your inventory dashboard, which alerts you to products that may run out of stock soon. You can restock to help keep your offers eligible for the featured offer. This concludes our training on featured offer eligibility and strategies. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.